Happy Sabbath to M. The Central Luzon Conference conducted its first ever stewardship and health seminar especially designed for kids last April 29 to May 2, 2011.
A total of about 230 children and 100 plus guardians, elders, pastors, and officers from different churches supported the event at the 1000 Missionary Movement campus in Silang, Cavite. Mikawayan Church sent 9 delegates supported by Sister Myra Morenos, the children's ministry leader. During the event, participants met friends from Argentina, Germany, India, USA, Africa, and other parts of Europe. The purpose of the seminar was to teach the kids to be good stewards during their early years. They were also equipped with skills that could help them take their roles as the future leaders of the church. Aside from lectures, delegates also enjoyed outdoor activities like swimming, playing, social nights, and many more.
That's all. Back to you, MM.